Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go on this fine, humid day. Just great. We have our ballistic doe down there. Our ballistic doe. We're going to try to just see what one of these heavy hawks do in it, if we can hit it. If we hit it, it's already a win. Plain and simple. Already a win. The bar is not high here at all. Here we go. And yes, it'll be the first shot. At least that's what y'all will see. Nope. I think we actually grazed the top of it. No, we did not. Wow! Ha! Third shot! Woo! Hey, let's see what we got. Was that the third shot, or was that the first shot, or was that actually about the 50th shot? The marvels of editing. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was the third shot. I just grazed the edge of it, so we're gonna try to put one into the ballistic doe. Oh, that was a slap. That was a slap. Let's see what we got. That sounded good. That sounded real good. Let's go. Yeah. Being in the Texas humidity is like drinking alcohol. The longer you're experiencing it, the more downhill you go. Alright, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We do have impact. And we actually have a clean pass-through. That is interesting. I was not expecting that. Actually, I was hoping, but wasn't expecting. Huge difference. And that's where we got that. That is interesting. Complete pass-through. 22 caliber Hawk. 25.3 grain, I do believe.